Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be reviewing the BOOM 3 Smart 4K projector. Before you even think about buying it, watch this video to learn why this might just be the ultimate projector for your home or outdoor entertainment. I purchased this directly from Amazon using the link in the description, where you'll find the best price, exclusive discounts, and fast delivery. Trust me, you don't want to miss this deal. Now, let's get started. The BOOM 3 instantly impresses with its modern, premium gold design and compact build. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for any space. Whether you're setting up a home theater, enjoying a movie outdoors, or hosting a presentation, its autofocus and Keystone correction makes setup effortless, so you can get started in seconds. Now, let's talk about what truly sets the BOOM 3 apart. Its picture quality. With native 1080p resolution and support for 4K content, this projector delivers jaw-dropping clarity and vibrant colors. Whether it's the deep blacks in a suspense thriller or the rich, vivid colors in an animated movie, every frame looks lifelike. With 500 ANSI lumens of brightness, it performs exceptionally well in dimly lit rooms, creating an immersive cinematic experience. Even in outdoor settings with ambient light, the visuals remain sharp and impactful. Trust me, once you see the BOOM 3 in action, it's hard to go back to a regular TV. The color accuracy is phenomenal, and the detail in the picture ensures you catch even the smallest nuances, like textures on clothing or the fine lines on a character's face. The BOOM 3 truly brings every scene to life. Pairing its outstanding visuals is an equally impressive audio system. The BOOM 3 is equipped with powerful 36W speakers and Dolby audio technology. The sound quality is rich, immersive, and perfectly complements the stunning picture, making every movie, game, or show an unforgettable experience. You won't even need external speakers, but if you want, its Bluetooth connectivity makes pairing simple. Adding to its appeal, the BOOM 3 is truly a smart projector. It comes with Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video pre-installed, so you can stream your favorite shows and movies right out of the box. The BOOM 3 isn't just a projector, it's an all-in-one entertainment powerhouse. Its picture quality, sound performance, and smart features make it a standout choice in its category. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or someone who loves hosting outdoor movie nights, this projector is designed to elevate your experience. If you're considering upgrading your entertainment setup, the BOOM 3 is worth every penny. And the best part, you can grab it at the lowest price using the link in the description. Don't wait. Click the link now and enjoy exclusive discounts, fast delivery, and an unbeatable viewing experience.